This is Dave McCain again with the Right Tree Genealogy. I'm doing a year-end message and channel update. Right now, I will be putting out videos for the Right Tree Genealogy channel that will be covering DNA going forward. There may be other DNA related subjects. It'll be family tree DNA, it will be my heritage, it will be ancestry.com, DNA related. I have created a second channel called the TRTGenealogy Basics. And this particular channel will start publishing basically at the beginning of the year. It could be a little bit earlier. Then I'm going to go back and grab the videos that a series that I've done on non-DNA related topics and put them on here. And future non-DNA related topics will be on this channel. I will still be producing my DNA videos on the Right Tree Genealogy. Future videos for family search or topics related to non-DNA, like research type topics, will go on this new channel, the TRT Genealogy Basics. Look to see that in January, and that's when that'll start. For this channel, I will be producing videos, preferably or planning to be once a week. If you have a genealogy question that you want me to address or put a video on, make a comment in one of my videos, or basically send me an email to the Right Tree Genealogy. This is a very short year-end video. I want to also say thank you to everyone that has subscribed. If this channel is ever monetized, that's great. But my main purpose of this channel is to relay from a family genealogist to other family genealogists the knowledge I've learned in 40 years. Let's continue learning together.